The set of fourth roots of unity form a group under which operation, and what will be the size of the group? Option A, of order 4 under addition, of order 4 under division, of order 4 under multiplication, and fourth option is none of these. So keep remember, this is very important point when we are dealing group theory and someone asked for every natural number there is a group, this statement is true, and that group you can tell him or her group of roots of unity, roots of unity with respect to multiplication. So if I say n equals to 1000, then there is a group of order 1000, or I can say of size 1000 with respect to multiplication, and group elements are nothing else roots of unity, thousands root of unity. So nth roots of unity with respect to multiplication forms a group G, and size of this group is n. Cube roots of unity elements are represented by 1 omega square. This set we can call G, and size of this G is 3. It forms group with respect to multiplication. From this remark, I can say given problem is a group of order 4 under multiplication. Option C is right.